Look.
Here they come. Please don't hit my car.
They're all red-winged blackbirds. No, some of them are. Some of them aren't.
This is amazing.
Look.
Please, come on. Please let us pass.
That is too cool. Can you hear or take it?
Nah, I gotta drive.
You ain't driving nowhere right now. That is too cool. Look at it passing in front. I'm in between so you can see the cars. Look at that.
That is amazing.
I want you to drive up there so we can take a picture of it.
Drive up where? I can't believe. Oh my God.
They're all red-winged blackbirds.
Please, can we pass now?
No.
Okay.
That's my favorite bird. Oh, God.
They're going up. There we go. That is cool. That is so cool.